Hello there, welcome to this video. My name is Baby Philip. I work as a support specialist for GBM Support Line, that is a support arm of Gulf Business Machines. This video is part of a series of videos that GBM Support Line is publishing in each domain of our expertise. Today, I would like to demonstrate to you on how to download and install the 90-day free trial version of Spectrum Protect Plus from IBM. As you know, IBM have provided a 90-day trial license for Spectrum Protect Plus, during which the customers can try out the product and, if interested, can convert that installation to a production environment, provided the resource allocation was adequately made as per the blueprint. Yes, so IBM provides a blueprint to assist you in sizing the Spectrum Protect server environment and also as a reference architecture. It is available in the below location. In this video, I will show you how to download the license key, the software binaries, and to install the product. All what you have to do is go to Google and search for this keyword IBM Spectrum Protect Plus no charge 90-day license. It will display the results and click on the registration form for any country, and you can give your details and then proceed. So we are here, the registration form. Fill in your business contact information and submit. It will prompt you a site where it will ask you the IBM ID. If you don't have an IBM ID, you can create one. If you already have, you can sign in with your IBM ID and you will presented with this nice screen with the license key and the binaries. So you may download the license key and the Spectrum Protect Plus binary package. And don't forget to download this getting started tutorial, where you will have the initial credentials that are required for logging into the server. So we downloaded the package, which is around 5.2 GB, and we extracted. The extracted folder have three files. One would be the physical installation binary for a vSnap server, and an OVA for Spectrum Protect Plus server, and an OVA for vSnap server. So you can see in this reference architecture, the Spectrum Protect Plus server is a virtual appliance, and vSnap server is the component where the actual data repository resides along with the VADP proxy. So the vSnap server could be either a physical server or a virtual server. So both the binaries for the physical server as well as the OVA is given along this trial binary. In your real production environment, you would not keep the Spectrum Protect Plus server and the vSnap server on the same box. Instead, you will separate this. If you are using it only for your demo purpose, you can deploy the Spectrum Protect Plus OVA alone, which will serve as a Spectrum Protect server, VADP proxy, and vSnap server. But when it is in a production deployment, you will have the vSnap server in a separate. You will deploy it separately, either in a OVA appliance or on a physical box. We will use the all-in-one appliance installation method. So we deploy the OVF template, select the file, the Spectrum Protect Plus. So this is the virtual machine name. As you know, this will be your folder name for the appliance as well in the data store. Select the location, select the server. So these are the details for our appliance. This is version 10.1.5, the latest one as of today, and the size would be 5.6 GB. It is thin provisioned and 548 GB if it is thick provisioned. And you can see it is in the appliance mode, where it will be all-in-one installation that includes Spectrum Protect Plus server, VADP proxy, and the vSnap server. accept the license, click next, and then you choose the data store where you are going to deploy this appliance. Select the format, thin provision, and then click next. So this would be your production network where you are going to deploy this virtual machine. And here comes the host name and network details. So you give the host name, IP address. You can use DHCP, but I'll provide a standard IP address, static IP address. So 24 gateways 10.10.15.1. DNS is required for resolving the vCenter addresses and other components. That's it. So finish. The VM is getting deployed. Bear in mind the all-in-one appliance is a bit heavy in the resource usage. So it's using around 8 CPUs and 48 GB of memory. Right, so our deployment is complete. So we'll power on the virtual machine. Right, so our VM is up. We'll launch the console. Okay, so the appliance do have a default ID and password that is provided in the Kickstart guide, which is server admin and this password. So we need to put this password and change the password at the first login. So the VM is up. I choose to use the web client, and this is the port you need to use, 8090. There are two authentication type. One is Spectrum Protect Plus and system. So you will use the system in order to use the server admin user ID. Provide the password that is given in the documentation. So it prompts you to change the password. So the password got changed. Now we can log in with that password. Now logged into the server administration page using the server admin ID. Here you have all those information about the product. You can go to license management, update the license, select the 90 days license and apply it. Right, now we'll log in back to the SP Protect Plus admin ID. Now we'll be able to log into the Spectrum Protect Plus operational console using the default password, username admin, and password is password plain password PASSWORD. So here it's asking for the additional security. You need to change the password. So you can change it, the username, and change the password. The username need to be changed. So I will put a new username. Here we need to choose whether that storage should be with encryption or without encryption. So the decision have to be made at this point. So I will choose initialization without encryption. Right, so we have successfully downloaded, deployed and installed Spectrum Protect Plus. You can see its evaluation expires on July 30th. It's 90 days from today, and it is ready. In the upcoming videos, we will give you more insights into the operation of the Spectrum Protect Plus. If you are interested in this product, you may contact the GBM sales team or even for any assistance on this product. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video useful, please like it and share it. If you have any feedback, please comment below. We'll come with a lot more videos with more interesting information to you. Thank you.